Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Garage, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars and everything on wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. Known for its bold design, unmatched versatility, and powerful performance, the Tahoe has been a top choice for families, adventurers, and car enthusiasts alike. So, what's new for the 2025 model? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk design. The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe builds on its iconic look with a refreshed front fascia, updated LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile. The grille has been redesigned to give it a modern yet aggressive stance, perfect for making a statement on the road. Whether you go for the base model or the high-end trims, the Tahoe continues to stand out in any crowd. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior. Chevrolet has gone above and beyond to enhance comfort and convenience. With seating for up to 9 passengers, the Tahoe offers premium materials, an updated dashboard layout, and a massive 15-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The heads-up display and customizable digital driver cluster ensure that all essential information is always at your fingertips. Performance-wise, the 2025 Tahoe doesn't disappoint. It offers 3 engine options: a 5.3-liter V8 for the balanced power and efficiency, a 6.2-liter V8 for those who crave more horsepower and torque, and the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel for fuel efficiency and long-haul capabilities. The Tahoe also introduces new advanced suspension systems, providing a smoother ride and better handling, whether you're on the highway or tackling rugged terrain. Plus, Chevrolet's latest driver assistance technologies, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and the enhanced Super Cruise system, make long drives safer and more enjoyable. For those who need practicality, the Tahoe doesn't fall short. It boasts one of the largest cargo spaces in its class, with over 122 cubic feet of room when the rear seats are folded down. Whether it's groceries, camping gear, or a weekend getaway, the Tahoe is built to handle it all. Chevrolet is also upping the game with sustainability by introducing a hybrid powertrain option, targeting drivers looking for more eco-friendly solutions. Finally, pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe starts at a competitive range, depending on the trim and features you choose. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a luxury ride with top-tier performance, there's a Tahoe for you. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. Let us know in the comments what you think about this updated SUV. Is it worth the hype? Will it make your shortlist for your next vehicle? Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Car Garage for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything you need to stay up to date in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.